Hi everyone! Before we start with this week's video, I have to refer you back to my previous weekly setup in which I made a few mistakes which led to false numbering of the days. It's a mess. As I filmed this right after one another and hadn't realized the mistake at the time, this week we'll also have completely false numbering of the dates. But don't worry, just like last week, I have corrected the printables so they are accurate. Here I am showing you which mistakes I made and how I corrected them in the printables and eventually in my own journal. Leave a comment, let me know what kind of mistakes you make in your journal. I would love to hear them. Let's pretend this is an imaginary week and just ignore the numbers in this week's video. Because at the end of the day, we all know you came here to see the design of the setup and not the accuracy of the dates. Which brings me to the topic of blank weekly setups. I have this week and as well as all the previous week's setup, the whole March setup as blank printables in my Etsy shop, if you're interested. I will be doing this for every month and I also have them for January, February, as well as the whole year setup. You can get the dated printables for free and the blank versions are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. All the relevant information is available in the description. With this week's video, I won't be talking through the whole video as everything is clear to see what I do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Before we start with this week's setup, here's a little March flip through. As mentioned before, I film these videos in a row, so that's why the pages are not filled in. If you would like to see how they look when they're filled in, then don't forget to subscribe for my April Plan With Me video, which will be out soon. I will have a flip through of the whole March setup with how I use the pages. There's also a free printable available of the mini drawing tutorial of the abstract monstera leaf. All the info is in the description. This week I used Kraft paper to set up the days of the week. Here's a little preview of how the printable looks with the corrected numbers, as well as the preview of how I corrected it in my real journal, as Photoshop doesn't do its magic in real life. If you watched the video till so far, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the imaginary week setup, and I hope you could laugh at my mistakes and found it relatable. Who doesn't make mistakes, right? Leave a comment, let me know what kind of mistakes you make in your journal. I would love to hear them. Then I at least know I'm not alone. Leave a comment, let me know, and follow me on Instagram if you'd like to see daily uploads and are interested in seeing my daily abstract drawings. Have an amazing day, everyone, and until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and stay inspired. Bye, darlings.